Hello and welcome, my name's Callum from the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool, and today I'm going to be taking you around this vehicle. This is the Volkswagen Transporter T28 Highline short wheelbase. It is a 2022 model and it comes with just 1,000 miles on the clock. It's finished in the Indian grey metallic paintwork and features the 2-litre diesel engine with the manual transmission. Taking a look at some external features, on the front you'll find your automatic headlights with the daytime running lights. You've also got electrically adjustable door mirrors that also come with the heating and folding features, ideal when parked and for the winter months. And on the front and rear you'll find the parking sensors for an audible noise when close to obstructions. The rear comes with the tailgate opening, and inside you'll see it's Ply Lined with lashing rings for load restraints as well as overhead lighting. You can also access the side door when you don't have space there to lift the tailgate. Making our way into the front, you've got your 2 front electric window controls and the door mirror functions. You've got automatic lighting behind the steering wheel there and the bricks cloth upholstery with armrests on either side of the driver's seat. On the left of the steering wheel you'll find your cruise control as well as the volume options for the media system. And on the right you've got the next and back for the media system as well as some controls for the digital cockpit display. Having a look at that now, you've got your trip computer information that you can scroll through down the centre. You've also got other options such as the assist systems, audio, telephone and the vehicle status. On the main media system, starting off with the radio, you've got AM, FM and DAB wavebands. You can also access your SD card, USB and Bluetooth audio there for your own personal media streaming if you prefer. You can also connect to that Bluetooth again for the hands-free calling, so you can take calls whilst driving safely and legally. You've also got the App Connect system allowing USB smartphone integration, so you can use applications through the system which could include navigation. It also comes with the front and rear parking sensors as well, so you can actually see on the screen exactly where any obstructions may be. Moving down from here now, you've got some controls for your climate, nice and simple to use there. 5-speed manual gear stick just behind that, and to the left you'll find a 12-volt cup holder space and 2 USB-C charging ports. For more information, visit the T28 Motor Group website or give our friendly team a call on 01515 152 911. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.